everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Today I have some more love letters. This one is to Barbara from James. And guess what? Barbara has actually written back to James. Can you believe it? She actually wrote back. Okay, Karma, I pulled this just for you because I know you like the Barbara letters. So this is January 22, 1952. Barbara, I know I have been a long time answering your letter. You wrote Christmas. But I have had a lot to do and not much time to do it in. I'm glad you liked what I got you for Christmas. See, sometimes you just have to buy presents. Presents make the world go around sometimes. Presents can also make you do things you don't want to do. Just saying. It was the only thing I could think of. It was more than a Christmas gift. It was a way of saying thanks for the nice time you showed me while I was home. Ooh, that was nice. So after all of that, in like September or October, when he said he was coming home soon, he must have actually come home. This is now January, so ooh, sounds like they had a really nice time together. And James seems way more calm now. And this letter is from, let's see, I didn't even say where. This is actually from Ward 56 Hospital, Fort Bragg, North Carolina. They put me back in the hospital now, and they are cooking something up for me. The doctor told me it'd be a long time before I went home again. About 4 to 5 months, I think. That would place it around June. Ooh, must be some kind of bad injury there. This is actually really nice paper. Or July. Boy, that's a long time. When I was home last time, I went out dancing. 5 out of 7 nights. That's what made my knee pop so big now, and boy, does it ever hurt. I guess I've said about enough for now, haven't I? So I'll close now and tell your mom and dad hello for me. And be good. Take care of yourself, Babs. Love, Jimmy. Oh, that's nice, Jimmy. Just a nice little sweet letter. So I'm so happy Barbara wrote back and they had a good time together, and now they're writing each other, and ooh, I wonder if they're ever gonna get married or something. That'd be fun to find out. I'll have to do some digging. Okay, well that's enough for now. Like and subscribe if you like these letters. Hit the bell if you want to know notifications when I post them. Tell me what you think about these, or if there's an area that you would like me to find some in your area, let me know, and I will try to do some digging and find some. That would be fun. Okay, everybody, bye.